I got started sewing when I was pregnant with my first daughter. Once I started making clothing for her, people would see us out and about and ask about her clothes. Did I make them? Then, of course, do you sell them? I decided that I'd no longer make clothing for anybody else because I was losing the joy in the creation process. So creating pieces for them is where I get my joy. You know, it has more meaning behind it, which means I'm spending a lot more time focusing on the details, focusing on the trims, focusing on the buttons, and the special touches that make those pieces of love. My youngest one is very used to me creating. So anytime we pull something out of her closet, she says, "Mama, did you make this for me?" And then she always says, "Thank you, Mama, I love it." This is a dress that my great-grandmother made, and this is a picture here of my mother wearing this same dress. And my youngest daughter, Josephine, who is now 3.5, she wore this dress for her first Christmas. When we sew, when we create something for somebody and we give it to them, it's like we are leaving behind little pieces of sewn love with them. When I'm pressing this dress and when I touch this dress, I can feel her.